is nothing for us to do here other than just standing here in the living room. What should I do? Wait a minute. I know. I'm going to blow really loud with the airborne. This is going to be so funny. And do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh no, did you just hear that? I just broke something. It sounds like I'm in so much trouble now.
Dark Brynn, now look what you have done. You just broke my mom's beautiful vase.
Because you blew your air horns really loud. Now I need to buy a new one thanks to you.
I'm so sorry, Mom and Dad. I just wanted to see how loud I can blow our air horns.
Well, your apologies will not work because you broke my mom's beautiful vase that costed about $200. For that, you will be grounded for the rest of the week.
Go to your room right now.
Yes, Mom and Dad. Sorry, Mom and Dad.